Philippine election 2022. Church of Christ. Endorses. Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. for President. Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., commonly referred to as Bongbong Marcos, is a Filipino politician who served as a senator from 2010 to 2016. He is the second child and only son of former President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and former First Lady Imelda Romualdez Marcos. Sara Duterte, Vice President. Sara Zimmerman Duterte Carpio, commonly known as Inday Sara, is a Filipino lawyer and politician who served as the mayor of Davao City from 2010 to 2013 and from 2016 to 2022. She also served as the vice mayor of Davao City from 2007 to 2010. She is the daughter of President Rodrigo Duterte. For senators, going straight. Win Gatchalian. Sherwin Ting Gatchalian is a Filipino politician and businessman serving as a senator since 2016, a member of the Nationalist People's Coalition. He previously served as the representative of Valenzuela's 1st District from 2001 to 2004 and from 2013 to 2016. He was the mayor of Valenzuela from 2004 to 2013. G.V. Ejercito Estrada. Joseph Victor Gomez Ejercito, also known as G.V. Ejercito Estrada, is a Filipino politician and businessman who served as a senator from 2013 to 2019. He had also served as the representative of San Juan from 2010 to 2013 and was the city's mayor from 2001 to 2010. Alan Peter Cayetano. Alan Peter Shram Cayetano is a Filipino politician and diplomat serving as the representative of Taguig Pateras' 1st District since 2019 and previously from 1998 until 2007. He was the Speaker of the House of Representatives from 2019 until his resignation in October 2020. Jojo Binay. Jojomer Jojo Cabauatan Binay is a Filipino politician who served as the 13th Vice President of the Philippines under President Benigno Aquino III. During the martial law period, Binay represented political prisoners in the 1970s for no charge. After some time, he was detained. Robin Padilla. Robin Hood Ferdinand Carrio Padilla is a Filipino film actor, screenwriter, producer, and director. He is known as the bad boy of Philippine cinema for portraying anti-hero protagonist gangster roles in films such as Anak ni Baby Ama, Grease Gun Gang, Bad Boy, and Bad Boy 2. Jinggoy Estrada. Jose Pimentel Ejercito Jr., better known as Jinggoy Estrada, is a Filipino politician, actor, and film producer. He is the son of former Philippine President Joseph Estrada. Before serving 2 terms as a senator of the Philippines from 2004 to 2016, he served as vice mayor of San Juan in 1988. Guillermo Elazar. Guillermo Lorenzo Tolentino Elazar is a Filipino retired police officer who previously served as chief of the Philippine National Police. He previously served as deputy chief for administration of the Philippine National Police before his appointment as N-Chief in 2021. Lauren Lagarda. Lorna Regina Lauren Bautista Lagarda is a Filipina politician, environmentalist, cultural worker, and former journalist who is currently serving as the representative of Antique and as a House Deputy Speaker. She previously served as a senator twice, from 1998 to 2004 and from 2007 to 2019. Chiz Escudero. Francis Joseph Chiz Guevara Escudero is a Filipino lawyer and politician serving as the governor of Sorsogon since 2019. He previously served as a senator from 2007 to 2019 and was the for Sorsogon's 1st District from 1998 to 2007, as well as House Minority Leader from 2004 to 2007. Joel Villanueva. Emmanuel Joel Jose Villanueva is a Filipino politician who serves as a senator of the Philippines. He took his senatorial seat following the 2016 Philippine national elections, where he ranked second highest in the polls with 18,459,222 votes. Meg Zubiri. Juan Miguel Migues Fernandez Zubiri is a Filipino businessman and politician serving as the Senate Majority Leader since 2018 and previously holding the position from 2008 to 2010. Since 2016, he has been on his second stint in the Senate, first serving from 2007 to 2011. Mark Viller. Mark Aguilar Viller is a Filipino politician and businessman who most recently served as the Secretary of Public Works and Highways from 2016 to 2021. He is the son of former Senate President and 2010 presidential candidate Manny Viller and incumbent Senator Cynthia Viller. Thank you for watching.